Mega SEO AI is a game changer in the digital marketing world. And if you're looking to take your SEO to the next level, you need to know about this brand new software. In this Mega SEO AI review, we'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you start using it. Stick around till the end because I've got some tips on how to make the most of this powerful tool. First off, Mega SEO AI is designed to automate and optimize your SEO tasks, saving you a ton of time. If you've ever struggled with keyword research, backlinking, or on-page SEO, this tool promises to streamline everything with just a few clicks. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, it makes SEO simpler and more efficient. What really sets Mega SEO AI apart from other tools is its ability to give you a full SEO audit in minutes. That means it doesn't just generate keywords or build links, it analyzes your website's entire SEO health, providing recommendations on how to fix errors, optimize content, and improve rankings. Imagine how much time you'd save compared to manually reviewing everything yourself. Next, the AI behind Mega SEO is extremely advanced, constantly learning from the latest SEO trends and algorithm updates. This gives you an edge over your competitors who might be relying on outdated tools. It's constantly improving to ensure that the strategies you're implementing are up to date and effective. Plus, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. This is AI working for you in real time. One of the key features you can't miss is its keyword research tool. Mega SEO AI helps you find long-tail keywords, LSI keywords, and even trending search phrases that your competitors might have missed. Instead of guessing or sifting through data, the AI provides precise suggestions that can boost your rankings. And it's not just about quantity, it's about relevance, which is crucial in today's SEO landscape. Another standout feature is its content optimization capabilities. The software analyzes your existing content, compares it to top-ranking pages, and gives you actionable insights on how to improve your content's quality. This means better on-page SEO with minimal effort. Whether you're targeting blog posts, product pages, or landing pages, Mega SEO AI ensures your content is optimized for success. Mega SEO AI also comes with powerful backlinking tools that help you identify high-authority domains for backlinking opportunities. It tracks the effectiveness of your backlinks and gives you tips on where to focus your efforts. Building a solid backlink profile is one of the toughest aspects of SEO, and this tool simplifies it. A huge bonus is that Mega SEO AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be an SEO expert to use it. With its intuitive interface and step-by-step guides, you'll feel confident even if you're new to the world of SEO. This makes it a great choice for small businesses, marketers, and anyone looking to scale their SEO efforts without hiring a full team of experts. The best part? You can try Mega SEO AI completely free from the first link below. It's a great opportunity to explore everything this software has to offer before committing. So, if you're interested in automating and optimizing your SEO process, give it a try. Before you go, make sure to check out the recommended AI software I've listed in the description below. After testing thousands of tools, these are the ones I trust to give you the best results in digital marketing. This was my Mega SEO AI review, a tool that can seriously elevate your SEO strategy. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're using the best tools available.